Director of CBI till May 2026? Correct answer is option A, Praveen Sood. The World Food Prize 2025 has been given to Dr. Mariangela Hengria. She belongs to which country? Correct answer is option D, Brazil. Who is the author of the book Heart Lamp, which has received the International Booker Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Banu Mushtaq. Which country has won the BWF Sudirman Cup 2025 for the fourth consecutive term? Correct answer is option B, China. Who has been recently appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C, B.R. Gavai. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Kumar. Kamla Prashad Bisesa has been recently appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? Right answer is option C, Trinidad and Tobago. Anthony Albanese has been re-elected as Prime Minister of which country?
Top 5 skills that commerce students need for landing a job in Big Fours and top MNCs. And the best part is, you can learn it for absolutely free.
Correct answer is option A, Australia. According to IMF data, which country has overtaken to become the world's fourth largest economy? Correct answer is option A, India. Which state has been officially declared as the country's first fully literate state? Correct answer is option C, Mizoram. Where is the World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES 2025 been held? Correct answer is option D, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? Correct answer is option A, Sri Lanka. Which state won the 15th Hockey India Senior Men National Championship Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option A, Punjab. Who has been awarded Fiji's highest honor, Companion of the Order of Fiji in April 2025? Correct answer is option D, Madhusudan Sai. Who has been re-elected as the president of the New Development Bank, NDB? Correct answer is option C, Dilma Rousseff. How many medals has India won at the Archery World Cup 2025, Stage 2 held in China? Correct answer is option A, 7 medals. Who has taken charge as the chairman of BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? Correct answer is option B, Harvansh Chawla. Who has been awarded the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Liu Jiakun of China. Who has become the head of the National Security Advisory Board, NSAB? Correct answer is option B, Alok Joshi. Who has become the president of the Badminton World Federation? Correct answer is option C, Khunyeng Patama. Who has been appointed as the Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, V. Narayanan. How many players were honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, 4 players. Gukesh D for chess, Manu Bahakar for shooting, Harmanpreet Singh for hockey, and Praveen Kumar for para-athletics. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF? Correct answer is option C, Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Who has become the world's youngest chess champion in 2024? Right answer is option B, D. Gukesh. Who was appointed as the CEO of UIDAI in January 2025? Correct answer is option A, Bhuvanesh Kumar. Who has been appointed as the next Revenue Secretary of the Union Finance Ministry? Correct answer is option A, Arvind Srivastav. Who has recently become the chairman of 23rd Law Commission? Correct answer is option D, Dinesh Maheshwari. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Indonesia. Who has been appointed as the 26th governor of RBI? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Malhotra. Who was sworn in as Ghana's president for the third time in January 2025? Correct answer, option B, John Mahama. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Who has been appointed as the next executive chairman of the National Legal Services Authority, NALSA? Correct answer is option C, Justice Surya Kant. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option B, Opal Suchata Changsvi of Thailand. Who has been selected for Goldman Environment Award of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. The winners are Sema Gharbi of Tunisia, Batmonk Lavzandash of Mongolia, Bazjana Juri and Olzi Nika of Albania, Carlos Malo Molina, Canary Islands, Lauren Allen of United States, and Marilaz Kanakari Murayari of Peru. Who was awarded the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Amor Duplantis. Payal Kapadia has been awarded the Officer of the Order of Arts and Letters by which country? Correct answer is option B, France. Jagadguru Rambhadracharya was awarded the 58th Jnanpith Award for his contribution to the literature of which language? Sanskrit. What will be the fiscal deficit for financial year 2025-26? Correct answer is option B, 4.4% of GDP. India is set to launch the world's most powerful hydrogen-powered train on which route? Correct answer, option B, Jind to Sonipat. Who received the Ramnath Goenka Award for Excellence in Journalism 2025 in Hindi category? Correct answer, option D, Mridulika Jha. Who became the first Indian origin musician to win American Music Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Raja Kumari. Which location has recorded the highest snow leopard density in the world? Correct answer is option C, Ladakh. Who won the Palme d'Or at the 78th Cannes Film Festival? Correct answer is option B, Jafar Panahi. For the film, It Was Just an Accident. Which country topped the medal tally at the ISSF Junior World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Friedrich Merz has become the new Chancellor of which country? Correct answer is option A, Germany. Who won the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award? Correct answer, option C, INCOIS, Indian National Centre for Ocean Information Services. Who will be awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman 2024 in 2025? Correct answer, option C, Bhadresh Das Swami. Who won the Gold Mercury Award 2025 for Peace and Stability? Correct answer, option A, Dalai Lama. Which of the following cities will host the 2025 World Athletics Championships? Correct answer, option A, Tokyo, Japan. Who topped the Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Haryana. Who has become the first Indian to receive the Fred Darrington Sandmaster Award? Correct answer is option C, Sudarshan Patnaik. Who was awarded 2025 UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? Correct answer is option C, La Prensa, the Nicaraguan newspaper. According to the Survey of India, what is the new official length of India's coastline? Correct answer is option A, 11,098.81 kilometers. Chonzan Angmo has become the first blind woman to climb Mount Everest. She belongs to which state? Correct answer is option D, Himachal Pradesh. Justice Harish Tandon has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of which state's High Court? Correct answer is option B, Orissa High Court. Who has been elected as the 11th President of Asian Development Bank, ADB? Right answer is option A, Masato Kanda. Who has been appointed as the Private Secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Nidhi Tiwari. Who has been appointed as the new President of the Asian Cricket Council? Correct answer is option C, Mohsin Naqvi. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Thailand. Which team won the 2025 Women's Premier League? Correct answer is option C, Mumbai Indians. Which state won the 15th Hockey India Senior Men National Championship Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option A, Punjab. Shirley Botchway of which country becomes first African woman to assume office as the Secretary General of the Commonwealth of Nations? Correct answer is option C, Ghana. Who has been recently appointed as the Controller General of Defence Accounts? Correct answer is option A, Mayank Sharma. Who won the men's singles title in Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option B, Jannik Sinner. Who is the chief guest of 76th Republic Day 2025? Correct answer is option C, Prabowo Subianto, the President of Indonesia. Kannadipaya, a traditional tribal handicraft, from which Indian state was recently awarded the GI tag? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Who was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 for Hindi?
बहुत से लोग टैरो रीडिंग सीखते हैं बट दे नेवर अर्न द मनी दे डिजर्व.
Correct answer is option A, Gagan Gill. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Dubai, UAE. How many tiger reserves are there in India as of March 2025? Right answer is option C, 58. Jotham Napat has been elected as Prime Minister of which country in February 2025? Right answer is option B, Vanuatu. Which country will host the FIDE World Chess Cup Championship 2025? Correct answer is option D, India. Who has been recently appointed as the second Principal Secretary to PM Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Shaktikanta Das. Which country has topped the medal tally of 9th Asian Winter Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Who has become the first footballer to receive the American Presidential Medal of Freedom? Correct answer option A, Lionel Messi. Who won the ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year 2024 award? Correct answer is option D, Amelia Kerr. Who has introduced the Waqf Amendment Bill 2025 in the Lok Sabha? Correct answer is option B, Kiran Rijiju. Who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI in February 2025? Correct answer is option A, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. India has won ICC Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating which country? Correct answer is option C, New Zealand. Which has become the first European country to withdraw from the International Criminal Court? Correct answer is option C, Hungary. Who has released the report, Education and Nutrition, Learn to Eat Well? Correct answer is option C, UNESCO. Who has been appointed as the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Correct answer is option B, K. Sanjay Murthy. Who has become the first woman president of the International Olympic Committee? Correct answer is option A, Kirsty Coventry. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Which has become the 123rd country to sign the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement? Correct answer is option C, Angola. Who became the first Indian to receive the highest civilian honor of Mauritius? Correct answer, option A, Narendra Modi. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of IRFC, Indian Railway Finance Corporation? Correct answer is option A, Manoj Kumar Dubey. Who won the Best Picture Award at the International Indian Film Academy 2025? Correct answer is option B, Lapata Ladies. Which team won the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category by defeating Nepal? Correct answer is option A, India. Who became the first Indian to receive the prestigious Ramsar Award for wetland-wise use? Right answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. Who has taken charge as the Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option A, Vivek Joshi. The Indian Astronomical Union has officially recognized how many new satellites of Saturn? Correct answer is option B, 128. Who won the Best Motion Picture Drama Award at the 82nd Golden Globe Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, The Brutalist. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of DGCA? Correct answer is option C, Faiz Ahmad Kidwai. Which operation has India launched to help earthquake-hit Myanmar? Correct answer is option C, Operation Brahma. Who has been awarded the Sangeet Kalanidhi Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, R.K. Sriram Kumar. Who won Stockholm Water Prize 2025 for his pioneering research on flood risks? Correct answer is option B, Gunter Bloch. Saudagari block print of which state has recently received the GI tag? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Who was sworn in as the Federal Chancellor of Austria in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Christian Stocker.
ಇವತ್ತು ಹವಾಮಾನ ತುಂಬ
Which team won the Men's Hockey India League 2024-25? Correct answer is option B, Shrachi Rahar Bengal Tigers. Who has become the youngest ever chairman of International Cricket Council? Right answer is option A, Jay Shah. Who has been awarded the 2024 Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development? Correct answer is option A, Michelle Bachelet. Which Indian ecologist won the Champions of the Earth Award 2024? Correct answer is option B, Madhav Gadgil. Who has won the ICC Men's Test Cricketer of the Year 2024 award? Correct answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Which two Indian cities recently joined the list of accredited wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention? Right answer is option C, Indore and Udaipur. Who has been awarded the Digital Transformation Award 2025 for the Prava and Sarathi initiatives in March 2025? Right answer is option A, Reserve Bank of India. Which of the following won the Best Film Award at the 78th British Academy Film Awards in 2025? Right answer is option C, Conclave. Mark Carney has been sworn in as the new Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option B, Canada. Who has become the first ever brand ambassador of the Federal Bank? Correct answer is option C, Vidya Balan. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Tata Communications in March 2025? Right answer is option C, N. Ganpati Subramaniam. Osamu Suzuki was honored with the Padma Vibhushan for contributions in which field? Correct answer is option C, trade and industry. Which year has been declared as the Year of Gaganyaan by ISRO? Correct answer is option A, 2025. Who has won the Nobel Prize 2024 in literature? Correct answer is option C, Ha Kang. Which Indian received the Whitley Gold Award 2024? Correct answer is option A, Purnima Devi Burman. Which Indian athlete has recently conferred the honorary rank of Lieutenant Colonel in the Territorial Army? Correct answer is option C, Neeraj Chopra. Which will become the world's first city to run completely on renewable energy? Correct answer is option B, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Who has been awarded the Holberg Prize 2025? Correct answer is option B, Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak. Who has been awarded the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Kumar Mangalam Birla. Who has topped the Khelo India Winter Games 2025 medal tally? Correct answer is option B, Indian Army. The joint military exercise, Harimu Shakti, is conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Malaysia. Who has been named as the only Indian woman in Time magazine's Women of the Year 2025 list? Correct answer is option A, Purnima Devi Burman. Where was the Tista Prahar military exercise conducted by the Indian Army? Correct answer is option C, West Bengal. Justice K. Somshekhar has been appointed as the Chief Justice of which state's High Court? Correct answer is option B, Manipur. Which country will host the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer is option A, Glasgow, Scotland. Which team recently won the Ranji Trophy title by defeating Kerala? Correct answer is option B, Vidarbha. Which of the following players were awarded Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award in 2025? Correct answer is option E, all of the above. Who is the author of the book, The World After Gaza? Correct answer is option A, Pankaj Mishra. PM Mitra scheme was implemented by which ministry? Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Textiles. Silkyara Tunnel, which will be known as Baba Boknak Tunnel, is located in which state? Correct answer is option D, Uttarakhand. Who has been selected as the Wisden Cricketer of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Where is India's first quantum computing village has been established?
दिल्ली से मंजू का सवाल है कि
Option B, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Who has been reappointed as the Managing Director of the IMF? Correct answer is option C, Kristalina Georgieva. Which national park recently emerged as India's second butterfly diversity hub? Correct answer option A, Kaziranga National Park. Which city has become home to India's first night safari? Correct answer option B, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Who has become the chairman of the Bar Council of India? Correct answer is option B, Manan Kumar Mishra. Who won the Best Director Award for his film Manora at the 2025 Academy Awards? Correct answer is option B, Sean Baker. How many medals India won in the World Boxing Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, 6 medals. Which country has launched the world's first thorium molten salt nuclear reactor in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Which country will host the FIFA Women's World Cup in 2031? Correct answer is option A, the United States. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center was recently approved? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. The 14th edition of the bilateral naval exercise Indra 2025 recently took place between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Russia. Which state tops the Niti Aayog's first fiscal health index 2025? Correct answer option C, Odisha. Who has become the first Indian to win the title of Mrs. Globe International 2025? Correct answer is option A, Anuradha Garg. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of Indian Weightlifting Federation Athletes Commission? Correct answer is option A, Mirabai Chanu. In April 2025, which country has announced to adopt green cryptocurrency to boost the economy? Correct answer is option B, Bhutan. Where has the 15th BRICS Agriculture Ministers meeting been organized in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Brasilia, Brazil. Who will be awarded the 59th Jnanpith Award for his outstanding contribution to Hindi literature? Correct answer is option C, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Which team has won the both men's and women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Which country has become the second largest road network in the world? Right answer is option C, India. Who topped the medal tally of the Khelo India Beach Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Manipur. Which country was formally accepted as the 10th member state of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Correct answer is option C, Belarus. Who has been named Person of the Year for 2024 by Time magazine? Correct answer is option D, Donald Trump. Which of the following has recently got the status of Navratna? Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Who has won the BBC Sportswoman of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option C, Manu Bhaker. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel, Orbital? Correct answer, option B, Samantha Harvey. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perception Index released in February 2025? Correct answer is option D, 96th rank. Who won the Best Actor award at the Oscars for his role in The Brutalist? Right answer is option A, Adrian Brody. Who won the Best Actress award at the Oscars for her role in Anora? Correct answer is option C, Mikey Madison. In which country was the annual meeting of the World Economic Forum 2025 organized? Correct answer is option C, Davos, Switzerland. Which country won the third Sabah Women's Basketball Championship title 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Who won the Alan Border Medal 2025 at the Australian Cricket Awards? Correct answer is option B, Travis Head.
Top 5 skills that common